Hello. We're in the middle of June in 2025, and it's time for the news updates of what's going on in the digital marketing space. There's a lot of disruption that has occurred from our overlords, Google and Meta. So I'd like us to get into it and have a conversation about it. So my name is Zablan Mukuba, and I will be your pilot for this ride. Right, so let us start. What I'm going to talk about today is three things. Number one, big tech introducing AI-powered ad tools that are challenging entire ad agencies. Secondly, we will talk about how Canva bought an AI company, and lastly, how search engines are changing and how content is being consumed by users. So definitely business is not as usual. So if you run ads, if you create content, if you work in strategy, this video is for you for the year 2025. Right, so let's start with AI tools taking the industry. Well, this is from the Wall Street Journal. They came and said that the tech giants Google and Meta and Amazon are rolling out AI ad tools that is not only automating and targeting, it is helping users create content in terms of photos and videos, which is also really crazy, because if they're creating the videos, that means many creative agencies that come up with the photos, that come up with videos for ad campaigns are in peril. The report goes to say that Meta and Google Ads have developed their AI systems to come up with lifelike imaging, lifelike videos, and they don't have problems with their fingers for their images and their video rendering for improving of performance of creatives in campaigns. So Meta lets advertisers auto-generate videos and ad copy based on performance of the ads. If your ads are not doing too well, they might help you by tweaking your content to get you better results. Google's AI Performance Max pushes the boundaries of traditional campaigns by introducing smart bidding and landing page pairing to make sure that what the users are getting, what users are looking for, is what they are getting. So this is not really more. This is more about displacement than disruption, because resources are being moved from one end to the other. So the platforms themselves, Google and Meta, are doing more and more of the work that ad agencies used to do and ad agencies used to bill for this work. So moving forward, they would have to bill less for their services. On to our second story, Canva, a content site that I use a lot, bought MagicBrief, a company run by two people, an AI company run by two people, which started in 2022, and they have been bought because of their platform's ability to analyze top performing ads across different social campaigns. It can help you suggest creatives and campaign ideas to improve performance, and it can automatically build a creative brief with just a few prompts. So in short, by Canva adding this to their portfolio, they're becoming more of an agency in a box, which smaller marketing companies can adapt and use for their campaigns. What this does, it puts more emphasis on strategy, it puts more emphasis on the plan ahead and on the creatives, so that more focus is done there to improve performance of everything. So people who will benefit are freelancers, solopreneurs, and small ad agencies. So everybody who is not a marketer can become a marketer. And lastly, I have spoken about how Google AI has changed the search engine through AI overviews. Now, this was introduced last year for select clients and in parts of America, but now ever since May 20th, it's been rolled out to completely everyone. So when you search for something, you no longer see blue lines for clicks to different websites, but you get all your answers in one place, so you don't have to scroll around. Well, the drawback for this, well, it's a benefit for the users because they get the answers quickly, but it's a drawback for the content creators because that means they're getting less traffic and less eyeballs on their websites. While on the other hand, Meta AI has changed their creatives, so it can visit your website and help you auto-generate ad copy. It can adjust their tone and voice depending on who your audience is at the moment, and it can help you test variations way quicker. So how do you adjust? You need to relearn, retool and re-equip your SEO strategies moving forward, because now more emphasis is being placed on AI and Google search, so that will be a challenge for many of us. So what should we do next? Learn. You need to learn, you need to adapt. And with that, I will say AI is not here to replace our jobs. AI is just a tool that make us more smarter, tool that make us more efficient, and tool that help us get our outcomes quicker and better. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, don't fight AI, embrace it and learn. With that, we'll say goodbye and get out of here.